Doing any solar stuff, this is an amazing tool to have. This kit comes with 20 male and 20 female connectors. Great, nice little carrying case. Get the product card with some instructions on how to use it. So you've got your male, you got your connectors, you've got females and your connectors. You got a pair of super sharp wire strippers. These are very sharp and super good. You've got two tools, and you have got crimpers, which are made especially for that type of crimp. Ratcheting, you can adjust it as well, plus and minus. Super good. This is heavy duty. This is not some cheap plastic. This is nice heavy duty equipment.